me and Potato have a lot going on. First thing we do is what? What do we got?
Don't make me into French fries.
Don't make him into French fries. Okay. All right. He's gonna be silly this morning.
Running a race.
A 5K race. I don't know what it's called. Babe, what's it called?
The connector.
The Champions Run.
Champions.
The Champions 5K run. It's on the connector. It's not too hilly. It's not too bad. Should be fun. It's a little hilly. It's not too.
No. That last one up is horrible.
Well, it's long, but it's not steep.
That's the bad part. I would rather a short, steep one
Yeah.
than a long,
Not steep one.
inclining one.
Well, you'll do good anyway, right? Yes, you will. And then we have
Potatoes.
we have a tennis clinic
Potatoes.
that Tyler will be at, and he'll have a great attitude. Right?
Yes.
Yes, so I like that. And today is also a day we're going to do our first challenge, which is what?
The eat it or wear it challenge.
The eat it or wear it challenge.
We're not sure if somebody else is coming over.
Not sure if I'm looking forward to this either,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it'll be interesting anyway.
Watch it because we're using pickle juice.
Pickle juice will be involved. Also, today will be a great day to have the talk.
I'm scared.
The talk will be done today.
Yeah, it's about potatoes.
High five.
I think you can make French fries with your racket if you just hit a potato.
You have to swing really hard.
So it's possible.
I'm going to say yes.
So I'm a French fry maker.
You could be a French fry.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay.
All right. Also, Clemson won, so they're 4-0. That's fantastic. Now I can sit back and watch college football all day without any concerns.
Are we undefeated?
No, there's other ones.
We're probably gonna win against Louisville. Wink, wink, wink.
We might. That would be cool. We'll see. Okay, that's it for now. We got to get ready for the race, so we'll see you in a little while.
I'm not ready for it.
See you.
Bye.
We are just setting up our Eat It or Wear It challenge. It's about to get real.
And the last item is milk.
All right. So the way this is going to work is we have, how many items?
11.
11 items set up.
2 got taken away.
Milk, pickle juice, soy sauce, salsa.
That's not soy sauce.
What is it? Worcestershire sauce, salsa, Bloody Mary mix, sugar, sour cream, Italian dressing,
Barbecue sauce, mustard, and ketchup.
a mustard barbecue sauce, mustard and ketchup. And each item is set up 1 through 11.
Okay.
We're going to draw a card. He'll draw one, I'll draw one.
Cards all in here mixed up.
These have numbers on them to tell us what item we're going to have to either eat or wear. So we'll draw a card. High card wins. They don't have to do anything. The low card has to pull the number, find out what he's got to do. Then he'll roll this die, just like that, to see what he's got to do. A 1 is a safe space. You get a 1, you can move on, you're good. You don't have to do anything.
And that means any even numbers is wear it, and any odd numbers besides 1 is eat it.
Even numbers wear it, odd numbers eat it.
Except for 1.
Except for 1. Okay, I think we're ready. You ready?
No.
You excited?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's the cards. You draw first. Or you want to cut? You can cut. Ready?
Okay.
Oh! Slide it under. Just slide it
Tyler,
under.
make sure you show the card.
Ma'am?
Show the
You good. Keep going.
It was a 9 of hearts, and you got 10.
So he's going to draw a number.
$13.
Oh, he's safe because there's no 13. 12 and 13 are safe. So you throw that down somewhere. Ready? Go. I think I'm in trouble. I got a 4.
Got that.
Show the camera. Okay. 9.
Oh God.
Worcestershire sauce.
4.
What does that mean?
Wear it.
Wear it. Now you get to pour it on me. Do I need to take a knee? Oh,
Not a whole one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, that's good. That's good. You're good. You're good.
Nice. Watch out, color.
I'm just trying to drink it.
1 done. All right, you ready?
No. I can't take you seriously.
Pick a card.
I'm in trouble.
8, 2,
Well.
go. Eight.
Salsa.
Salsa.
Okay, it's not the word. That's an eat it.
That's an eat it. Get a spoon. Come back over here. What are you doing over there?
How long does the people around for that?
You put it in your mouth, count to 5, try to swallow. If not, you can spit it. Oh, you be up there.
No, that's too much.
It's got to be painful. It's no fun.
That's what I call boyfriend.
Do it. Do it.
No.
Just do it. Do it. I'll count to 5 once it's in there. That's good. Five. All right, you gotta spit it. Go spit it.
Spicy.
Good stuff.
Ah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. My turn? Oh no, maybe not. Let's draw. Don't worry about cleanup. Come on.
Tyler.
I'm in trouble. I got a 3. Draw again. Joker doesn't beat nothing. 6. So I gotta go. I got a 12. I'm safe.
No, I hate you.
All right. Ready? 7.
7.
Go again.
I'm in trouble.
King. King.
5.
5.
So it can't be safe anymore. Please be like 1.
Oh yeah.
Please be wear it.
Roll that die.
Wear it, please. Pulls.
Does that eat it?
Let's wear it.
It is?
Wear it.
All right.
It's stuck out.
Wait. All right. Ready?
I think I ruined my face buds. I'm in trouble.
You're in trouble. King, what'd you get?
Face.
7. Go. Mill.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
What is that?
No one does
Just take a couple of bullets. You're good. Good job. That would have been more fun if I had thumped it on your head.
it. It
Ready? Go.
really
10.
10.
10. Oh!
I smell sour cream.
I smell. Put that one back in. 6. Now we removed one. Remember? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I get sugar, right? And I'm safe. I don't have to do anything. That's awesome. All right. Ready? Go. Ace. 3. You still do. You can use that one. Which is Italian.
Please!
No, don't put it back in. Unless you want to do it again. All right. What is that?
Do I have to?
Yes. What that?
I think
8. 5 seconds. Go. Whole thing in your mouth. Good?
Yeah.
Now you can spit it out if you like.
Why do I get orange ones?
All right, you ready?
Oh.
You ready? Suck it up, Buttercup. Let's go.
No, we're not so
I got a pop. I got a 9. So we know. Count wise. 2. Mustard.
Why? Why? I hate mustard.
That's fun. That is awesome.
I smell mustard. Oh my god.
Ready, go. Four.
I swear.
10. Is it really? 9. You're right. Pickle juice.
I don't. What?
Say!
Wait, hold on.
Say!
Can I
You want
be
to roll
out?
again? You want to roll again?
Yes.
What's that?
That's blue.
You can if you want.
Ready?
Pickle juice. Not good.
Ready?
Not good.
Oh wow, that's cold.
You're not done. And
Wow.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's ridiculous.
Okay, cards got wet.
That's fine.
All the cards got wet.
Wow. Okay. Ready? Pull.
Oh, you in trouble?
I
I
got
got king.
Hold me a thing. 7. What's that?
Yes. Please.
Can't see. 2. What is that? Where?
Yeah. It's fun for me.
Not too much.
I'll tell you when to stop. That's good. Oh, that's disgusting. I can't see.
I'm worse. I got multicolored hair.
You're worse. Look at me, son.
Look. This man over here.
All right, ready? How many more we got in there? 2?
Yeah.
All right,
Oh yeah, you
Drop
in
it.
trouble. You in trouble.
2.
You in trouble. Got 6.
All right, pull me one.
Please help me one. Please help me one. Oh, I wish I had one. Oh, sugar. Please help me one.
I think sugar's done. I think ketchup.
Or
Oh,
barbecue
sauce.
Yes, ketchup.
Nice. Good job. High five. All right.
Murderer.
We hope you enjoyed Eat It or Wear It Challenge. This is dedicated to Kathy Asselon, who is the Facebook friend dedication for today. She's worked with me many years at Cromer Foods. She's a hard worker. She's dedicated. She is now retired, and I hope that she is enjoying everything, her grandkids, her relaxation. This one's for you, Kathy.
Hair attack. Hair attack. Well,
Tyler,
Hi.
I think it's that time. I think we need to have the talk.
Okay, I understand.
Where should we begin? And that is how babies are made. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog.
It was extraordinary.
Was it fun? Did we have a good time?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, I had a brain toot. Oh yeah. I came 6th place in the run.
Yes, but he got first in his age group, which was awesome. He did great at his tennis clinic today.
Yes, I almost passed out. No, but don't worry, I lived.
We did. We had fun at the Eat It and Wear It challenge, which was pretty cool.
Yeah,
You wanna do something else? I like that.
Yeah,
What were you gonna say?
I was about to say, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
Yeah, you'll see it though, because if you're watching this, you just saw it. So
Yeah.
we're good. Clemson won Thursday night, beat Georgia Tech. That was
Wow.
awesome. First time in 13 years they've done that.
4-0.
Who is our 4-0, and who is our Facebook friend dedication?
Kathy. Asselon. Woo!
Yay, Kathy! Good job. Good job. That's all I got. You got anything else? That's not a whistle.
Enough.
You got anything else?
Hope you see it. Oh, please subscribe.
So please subscribe and don't forget to smash the like button.
Even though you're not the Hulk.
Peace.
Peace.